Today I took a delivery of another item that I would install in Scarlett, and this delivery came from Carbon Miata, right there. It's actually just a pair of quilted floor mats that I saw on Carbon Miata's website, and I saw that it's a good quality floor mat, so I decided to place an order. Let me show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, these are the Carbon Miata floor mats that I just ordered from Carbon Miata. So this is the driver's side floor mat, and this is the passenger side floor mat. The floor mats would also cover the transmission tunnel sidewall. See, this part goes up like that. So it would cover the transmission carpet, which gives it a very nice clean look. Now my order was the black mat with the red stitching. As you can see, it's all stitched up in red. Looking at the quality of the stitching is very good quality, and the mat itself is quite thickly padded and looks very well made. The material is, according to Carbon Miata, the material here is faux leather. So, touching the material, I can say that this is a durable material that would probably last years in my ND. And the driver's side has this rubber insert for where I can rest my feet while I use the pedals. This particular order of mine, I asked Carbon Miata to delete the carpet that would cover the dead pedal. So it should be here, but as you can see, there's a space there. So I had it deleted because there are plans in the future to install custom metal or belay metal pedals in my car. Now for the passenger side, as you can see, it is fully customized to fit the passenger side, including the hump in the transmission tunnel on the passenger side. For those of you who don't know, the ND Miata has a big bump on the passenger side where the transmission resides. So it's good that Carbon Miata also included that in the way they constructed the floor mats. Overall, it looks very good quality, and I'm quite happy with the purchase. But the proof is in the pudding. Let's go now and install this baby in the car.
Okay guys, so we're here with Scarlett, and I'm now going to install the floor mats, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, let's go, follow me. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have just remove the stock floor mats. Okay, hold on. Okay. There you go. Remove the old floor mats. Okay. And then we're going to install the new floor mats right here.
You just have to tuck it in, and apparently you have to, this one, you have to just lift this, okay, and tuck this in. And lift here also.
but really sweaty. So there you have it, guys. My carbon Miata mats installed in less than 10 minutes, and a little bit of humid sweat right here. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was a quick and easy installation of my new carbon Miata quilted black floor mats with red stitching, and it took less than 10 minutes. It adds a touch of class to an already classy car. So I'm really happy with it, and I want to put it through its paces. So if you want to see more Scarlett Miata videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, if you like the installation process, just hit that like button, guys. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.